Hi, it is a very happening day at IMTEX 2022 for me. This is the second day of the show, and from the morning, there are a lot of crowd which is coming and visiting the exhibition, and all the stalls are very much busy with the customers. Today, we are at ZEISS Industrial Metrology, where they are showcasing a lot of products which can help the manufacturers to get their manufacturing process done without errors. While we were talking with the CS team yesterday, they were telling we are not selling products. We are trying to sell technology. We are trying to sell solutions. Be it for the automotive sector, which is their traditional, or you're talking about electric vehicles or any new technology, they have all those solutions available. And today in Machine Maker real-time broadcast, we are at the ZEISS stall. Thank you all viewers who are joining with us. And I am having with me a partner in crime today. Anil, welcome to the show. And thank you for having us today.
Same here.
So today we had a lot of crowd.
Yes. Let me tell you one thing. We are extremely delighted to participate in IMTEX 2022. It is after 2 years. And we had a product launch on first day. And please do visit us. We are located at hall number 3A, stall D12. And we have displayed wide range of products of ZEISS products. So let us see what we displayed in our...
And actually when you are telling that when people to come and look at your stall, you are just in the opening of the hall 3A.
Correct.
Hall 3A is one of the biggest, I think, lot of participants are here.
Correct.
And any visitor who is coming here, they cannot just, you have got the one of the best location in IMTEX.
Yes, you're right.
Congratulations.
People who walk from outside, they can see our booth.
Directly, and I'm seeing this EV solutions
correct.
board. So
Yes,
congratulations, you had a great place.
Thank you, Hari.
And also, I have seen that yesterday we got your new product launches, which got live. We done that. We have got a lot of responses out of it. So let's go and show our viewers what is in it.
Yes.
The new launch as well as the other products.
Yes.
So you are going to help me, right, today?
Definitely. Let us speak to our experts.
Please. Yeah. So now I think we are going to the ZEISS CMM.
Yes.
For CMM is something which ZEISS is, we can say the other name of coordinate measuring machine is ZEISS.
Yes. We have Mr. Arsilan.
Hi Arsilan, how are you?
Who handles?
I'm doing great.
Who handles CMM business? So let us hear from.
Good afternoon, everyone. And this is Arasilan Kumran from sales. I was there for Kalja for the last 15 years. And I think it's one of the new launch. It's called Contura, which have a unique technology called a DLC. It's a diamond light carbon coating. You can see the mirror finishing. Using with this benefit, the measurement speed will be much better compared to the older generation. And second thing is comes with the mass. You can also have a different sensor you can able to interface based on your requirement in the future. And the important factor is this machine is assembled in India. So if you want to have a live, please visit IMTEX, or you can also visit our technical centers in Pan India. Bangalore is our headquarters, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, and Delhi.
All these technology centers you have Contura there, right?
Yes.
No, I just have one question. Like, I am not that technical person like you. You told about the mirror finish. Can you just tell me what you mean by that?
Yeah, mirror finishes. See, if the base material is aluminum, and we use a diamond light carbon coating. Using this coating, your finish is in a mirror. So this machine operates in the air bearing. So when the air bearing moves very smoother, it will improve your life cycle of air bearing, and without compromising on the quality, it also improve your better speed of measurements.
Just to understand, so it's a completely new technology what you are bringing.
Yes.
Customers are going to get a lot of benefit of it.
Of course.
What is the kind of affordability of this machine?
Probably in the range of around 60 plus. This is the machine.
But it is going to give a lot of
benefits. To the
customers. So this is a great opportunity for visitors to come here and look at the new CMM, which can definitely make a difference. Yesterday, while I was here for the launch, there was the gentleman, the person who was the chief guest. He was telling that he's going to change all his CMMs and taking this. Congratulations, Arasilan, for this, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
So, Anil,
Thank you, Arsilan.
Okay, thank you, Anil.
so we also having a lot of people here who is. How is this machine? What do you think about this machine?
Excellent, sir. Excellent. Seriously excellent. And everything is automated. Like the robotics is implemented here. It looks very good.
Thank you. Please,
Promising.
very
Very promising.
please go through and let's see that, you know.
The students of mechatronics. So we are interested in this.
Also-
This is our field.
You should start a company. Prime Minister need more youngsters should come and do this.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
So, go and start your startup. Make in India and use IS.
Yes, sir. Sure.
All the best.
Thank you.
See you. Yes.
We have TSK products which are displayed in our booth. This is one of the products which we had product launch, and we have Mr. Ashish, who is expert in TSK products. So let us hear from Ashish as well.
Hi, Ashish. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon. I am good. What about you?
I'm doing great. Welcome to the real-time broadcast with Machine Maker.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now we are getting an opportunity to know more about the Surfcom next.
Sure. So my name is Ashish Kumar. I am taking care of pre-sales activity all over India. So this is our new product launch, which is called as Surfcom Next 200 series. The main advantage of or plus point of this machine is it is having the range of plus minus 13 mm for both contour and roughness. Means it is little bit totally different with the concept of normal roughness machine, because whatever range you are getting here, that is common for both. Means you can measure up to a depth of 13 mm roughness as well as contour profile both, and it is fully equipped with linear motor technology, which is it's a patent technology of our machine, that it is fully equipped with non-touch mechanism. Okay, the guideways which we have used here, that holding the accuracy of 16 nanometer.
So, which are the major applications Surfcom next is having?
Surfcom Next, this model series we basically use for bearing industry. It's very useful for bearing industry because in the bearing area, race area, it is very depth is more. So normal roughness machine is not able to measure that area because of the more depth. So in this machine, as you told earlier, that you are getting the range of plus minus 13 mm for both contour and roughness. So you can measure both at a single time and you will get the result.
Apart from it, this is only for the bearings.
It's not like that. This is the advantage which we are generally preferring difficulty in bearing industry. So that purpose will be solved. And apart from that, what you are usually making for conventional machines, so that purpose will be fulfilled by this machine.
That can also be
Yeah.
done. So it is having a lot of applications.
Correct.
But bearing is something.
Bearing is something which
For
is
them it is critical.
Yes, correct, correct. It is fully maintenance free machine, fully packed, and it is our really nice machine for the good depth.
How
we need to measure the form parameters. So I can use this machine for that.
Okay. So this is a wonderful. And when this was launched,
I can't say it's a new machine. It's about 3 years old machine. So I mean, we are there. Like in earlier model, we have Roncom 54. Then we have stopped Roncom 54. Then we launched this product. So it is there from last 3 years.
okay.
Yeah.
So we will come back again on this machine. And thank you, Naveen, for
Thank you.
explaining this. And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Anil.
Thanks. Yeah.
Thank you, Naveen. Thank you. And we have displayed O-Detect, which is a optical measurement machine.
Before going to him, so I would like to just interact with him because our purpose is to show the ZEISS stall to all our viewers who are not able to come here, and I feel very sorry whenever sir is going to look at one machine. I am coming and disturbing you. It is not the purpose. How you find ZEISS machines?
I'm using your machine.
Excellent.
I'm quite happy with the machine. No issues, and the range you are showing here it's good.
We have 3 new products which is launched here.
No, that because that they told me good machines, and of course the new things you have introduced are good.
Thank you. Thank you. You are from which industry and what's your good name, sir?
KW Fasteners,
Okay.
Gurgaon. JK Machines.
You are coming all the way from Gurgaon to Bangalore. Have a great time with ZEISS. And with your permission, we are going to just get the demonstration here. Thank you very much for your time. Yes.
Yeah. And we have Mr. Uday Dixit. He is the product sales manager for optical business. So let us hear from him.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Yeah, we have launched a new product called O-Detect. It is actually optical measuring system. If you talk about optical measuring system, there are many players in the market. But how we differ from them is that basically the most important specification is the accuracy of this part. The accuracy is not only very good, but it is traceable to some international standard, which is ISO 90-1090-360-7. So that is very important. Nobody offers such kind of traceability. Secondly, the biggest advantage we have is with the overview camera. So entire measuring range of 300 by 200 is directly visible, and you are able to pinpoint which feature you want to measure, and then the measuring camera takes over and start measurement immediately. So it improves your efficiency, and that's it. These are the very 2 important features of this machine.
And here we have seen that you are measuring the components of mobile phone.
Yeah, this is suitable for very small components. It could be any electronic component. It could be mobile, or it could be a PC components, or it could be a car component. Any small components which are flat basically, and we want a very quick measurement. This is a perfect solution.
So electronic industry is one of the major
Yes,
sector which this particular product is
absolutely
given.
Yes, correct.
So thank you very much for sharing your time, and we will come back to you.
Yeah.
And thank you.
Thank
All
you
the
very
very best.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Any message to our viewers right now? You would like to visit, request them to come here and see this innovation?
Yes. Please do come and visit our stall in Hall 3. Gather all as much information as possible so that it will be there at the back of your mind. Whenever there is a requirement, there is a problem, you will always remember that there is such solution available with ZEISS. So it will be definitely helpful.
Thank you very much. Have a great time.
Thank you. Thank you, Uday. Next, we have 3D scanners. Mr. Srinivas Pai, who heads our 3D scanner business. It's over to you, Srinivas.
Yeah. Hi, Srinivas. I think we are going to show GOM in many other places. Congratulations that you acquired GOM. I think it was before 3 years, right?
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, so we are able to see what we are seeing here is GOM. Srinivas, please.
So this is a blue light technology. It will just scan the component, and you can see the CAD which is being created. And once you have the CAD, you can compare it with the actual CAD. You can do GD&T. You can do reverse engineering. So this is a machine which can be used in almost every industry. You talk about plastic. You talk about casting. You talk about toy industry. So this is your.
So basically, when we are talking about this, what I'm understanding is for new product development, this is going to help a lot.
Yes. Actually, this, as you can see, it's a portable machine. You can use it in shop floor, inline inspection, quality room, new product development, as you mentioned.
So yeah, it's like a multi-purpose machine which can be used.
I have seen GOM in many industries, in
Yes.
aerospace, in automotive. Many people are manufacturing this component. I have seen that. So I have gone through ZEISS stall, and I know that GOM is a ZEISS company, but this is something wonderful. And see the color. The it is like you put different colors in a disco or celebration. So we are having a celebration of scanning by GOM, and you put it here, scan it here.
So yes. So basically, this is a blue light. So we also have a laser technology.
Okay.
So basically, now with this portfolio, ZEISS has every range of product line in the portfolio. So
What is the response of customers once visitors come and see this particular product?
they are quite fascinated by this technology because the customers just keep the component, scan it, and within 1 minute you have the model. So they are quite fascinated with this technology because it's a quick measurement, and also you're getting all the details what you're getting in the other divisions. Yes.
Thank you for this wonderful explanation, Srinivas, and I wish you all the very best. And viewers, I feel that you are having a very good product. The experts from the ZEISS, they are able to explain us in detail about whatever they have displayed. Anil, where we should go now?
And we have displayed microscope equipment
Okay.
as well.
Yeah.
So let us see what we have.
Now we are going to the microscope
Yes.
display of ZEISS.
Yes. We have Mr. Srikant,
Hi, Srikant.
who is expert in microscopes. So he will tell us and he will brief us about our microscope business and products. It's
Hello. This time we are demonstrating light microscope. That is nothing but the upright metallurgical microscope as well as the technical cleanliness analysis solution. So this microscope can be used for particle analysis and as well as the metallurgical applications such as grain size analysis, non-metallic inclusion analysis, cast analysis, multi-phase analysis. So all the metallurgical application can be covered with this microscope. And some of the key features of our microscope is it has the single scan technology camera. So the filter paper is required to be scanned with only one time. So you will get all the details in the single scan, and that saves the time and increase the productivity. And being motorized microscope, it ensures the high speed of scanning as well as the repeatably high degree of repeatability and reproducibility. So this
So-
is the
Yeah. So basically, ZEISS is very famous for its lens, and I think not just in the industrial metrology, in almost all medical, healthcare, in many
Yes,
places.
everywhere we have a wide range of product portfolio.
So the microscopes, the lenses, whatever it is used here,
Yeah.
is it different from what we see in the laboratories and all those things, or it is the same? Just
Those would be kind of different for because for different applications we have different kind of optics.
okay.
And we have a best optics in the world, but the optics which are manufactured, that is our sister concern companies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Please,
And
please.
this is the digital microscope.
Uh-huh.
So with this microscope you can go up to 2000x magnification. So this microscope can be used anywhere, like automobile industry, electronic industry, tire manufacturing industry, raw material manufacturing industry, and the microscope is motorized, fully motorized.
So we can see this here. If you can see, there is a small chip. Is it a chip, right?
Yeah, that's
This
the PCB board.
PCB board. It's a PCB board which is kept here, and you see that it is magnified, and it is, you can see in a very big way, and there you can. So what are the applications like? You now it is checking, and you get the parameters.
Yeah, the main application like visual inspection of the any surface, any defects, or quality inspection of the PCB boards or any automobile components. So
Okay.
with the XY motorization and Z motorization, we ensure the large area imaging along with the extended depth of focused image. And we have a quite few features like this. This axis can be rotated in both direction at a 45-degree angle. So you don't need to rotate the sample, disturb the sample position. So simply by moving the axis, you will observe the sample,
Okay.
side faces of the sample.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Srikant. See, you have seen products which we displayed in our booth. So we are showcasing our services. Like I request Rohan to take over from here. Rohan, it's over to you.
Hi, Rohan.
Hi.
I
Thank you.
think,
Welcome.
yeah, thank you
Welcome to
very
the
much.
talk. Yes.
I know that, for the last couple of days,
Thank you, Anil.
we are interacting. I think you are having sleepless nights.
Yeah, we both are actually. So we are doing our best to give the best show to the audience and maybe get the best of the technology showcase to them and have them have a kind of an experience that they can have with the products that we have for metrology products.
You are having a wide range of products. I cannot just tell that a visitor should come and see what.
Right,
Because
right,
a lot of products,
right,
and each have different applications.
right,
Everything is related to metrology,
right,
optics, but
right,
it have different reasons.
right,
Each machines are there.
right.
Wonderful show, wonderful stall.
Great,
Congratulations to
great.
you.
Before you, I would like to introduce some of the posters which are not been displayed here,
Mm.
but we have a very interactive poster for it. Maybe we'll have a look at these posters. We have product experts also here,
Yeah.
and he's Mr. Manjunath Kumar,
Hello, sir.
Manjunath Prasad. Sorry for that. And he is our accessories head and application head. So Manjunath sir, if you can just explain, how we can help customers to choose the right accessories for their CMMs and products.
Thank you, Rohan. I think you have asked the right question. It is not just sufficient to buy the good equipment. Okay. After having the good equipment, you should also use the genuine accessories to get the stated accuracy. The accessories like stylus, adapter plates, sensor racks, fixturing systems. You always use genuine accessories to get our stated accuracy. Example, if you take the influencing factors like temperature and the stability of the systems, which will influence on the measuring system. And also, we have launched our metrology shop, which is where we are selling accessories. Okay, and after buying you can also choose the accessories from our web shop, metrology shop, shop.metrology.zeiss.in. That is a shop where you can choose our range of product. It is more than 10,000 products, 10,000 accessories are available. You can choose range of our accessories.
No, this is very much wonderful. It is not just
Right.
about just selling a product, right?
Right.
You
right,
also
right.
need to see that we don't have a downtime. That is
Right.
the important thing. So
True,
you
true.
ensure that the accessories. So that I appreciate. Zayas are keeping that much of mind. That accessories. There is a special product expert, and it's amazing. It's amazing.
Great. Thank you.
We always suggest buy genuine accessories for getting the stated accuracy.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time,
Thank you,
and
sir.
I wish
Thank
you all
you.
the very best.
Thank you, sir. So I have holded a very special person for you. This is our head of applications, and we requested him kind of give an introduction on the Industry 4.0 solution that we are trying to portray here. So Sachin sir, if you would like to just show us what we are trying to display through this portrait here with the mobile on it.
Yeah.
So welcome, and I think we have seen a lot of hardware. Now we are going to talk about the software, if I'm right.
Yes.
Oh, great! Please.
Yeah. So currently data is very important in any industries, and the same way it is a manufacturing industry, the data is also very important because you should analyze your process, your quality of the product, and you make the next your analysis what to take with the next process. So that's why we are here to collect all the data from all measurement areas and do the analysis, give the different type of solution to us. So we have different type of solutions are available. We have like a reporting plus. It is for small particular one machine. It is available. We have a small business unit solution and enterprise solution. So where we can really take the data from all the plants. If you have like a multiple plants in the different countries, we can collect the data. We can do the analysis and we can provide the information where which country is performing well, which process is going well, which operation is working well, what ship, what data is there. So all the type of different data evaluations can happen with here. So whatever the measurement data is come, we are there to provide the solutions. That is the biggest.
See, I think this is a very interesting place which I came and meeting you. Why? Because we always talk about hardware, and whenever we talk about Industry 4.0, in depth, I think this is the first time I am seeing someone is explaining, or it is very easy for someone to understand whatever services kiosk you have put. So I am just a journalist, right? I don't know the technical aspect, but still, as per your discussion, what I am understanding is today, whichever component is measured, that data is captured in the system.
Yes.
and then it is analyzed.
Correct.
And not only it is about one system. If a company is having around 25 machines,
Yes.
which is in different geographical areas, all the data can be collected in this application which sales have developed,
Yeah.
and that can be analyzed. Reports can be shared with the
Production
the
people, quality people, and they can really take the decisions that product is correct, ready for dispatch, or I have to do the analysis or the improvement from in the your process. So we help them to improve the productivity, and it is a real industry 4.0 solution, which is industry looking for.
this is what we are talking about, industry 4.0, right?
Yes.
So I have a small question to ask you. So now a person who is purchasing a hardware, does this software, this industry 4.0 solution comes along with that, or someone needs to acquire, like purchase this also?
Yeah. So our solutions or the data pushing is available. It's a standard solution for all the machines. But when you want to do the analysis, we have these different solutions are available. So
Reporting
with the
class.
different, reporting class, then the small business unit solution for particular standard room, and the enterprises version which goes like a planned basis, regional or global basis.
It is kind of a SaaS product, right?
Yes.
Software on service, as a service.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, okay.
And it's very easy, user friendly product. So everything is available. You can, it is like a PowerPoint. You can take your data and do your own analysis, and you can make your own reporting, the dashboard which is required. Accordingly, you can make your own.
And it is part of IQS only, right?
Yeah, yes, very much.
Very good, very nice. So considering we all these years we talk with the customers, with the products, so this is something which is surprisingly, and this is something for people in the manufacturing, this is a knowledge which we need to acquire more, so that it can be helpful for people to do easy work.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for
Right. So what we have next is, thank you so much, sir. Is next is EV solutions that we have displayed through our posters. So I would like to introduce you another important person for us, Mr. Manoj Sundaram, and of course we have our sales head also along with us.
Hi.
Mr. Hemant Kumar.
I think you don't need any introduction.
Nothing like that. Okay. Yeah.
No, you are very active in the manufacturing side. I've seen you in many VDMA programs and all those. So I think Manoj Sundaram don't need an introduction as such. Thank you for being part of the real-time broadcast what we are doing today.
Right. Thank you.
I always hear you talk about EV. You are very passionately talks about EV. So we have
That's right.
certain posters also you have displayed here.
Right.
Can you just give some light on it?
Okay. So you can see there are two serial posters which you see on the top and the bottom, and one behind. So things are changing from IC engines to electric vehicle. And if you see, engine block used to be the key part of IC engine, and today what is the building block is basically the battery. So that's what is being shown here. Three things: battery, motor, and the battery pack. So these are the three most important topics when we talk about electric vehicle technology. So the root is, this is the engine, which is the battery topic, where starting with the material, what you see there on the left, you have to really see what kind of material and structure you can place in, what kind of structure you want to buy or you want to make. And next is the process, which involves in making a small module. So we have a lot of quality gates around this process where we can ensure that the battery or the cell is made with the highest possible quality. So we have about 6 quality gates which we have identified, and about 30 problems which could come up in a cell can be tackled. That's one.
So we are currently our solutions are going in two ways as per my understanding. One is the battery,
right,
and another is the motor. Both places
right,
we are giving the quality aspects. ZEISS is having solutions. So I am just trying to understand. Most of the time, this battery is also imported, like the raw materials, whatever we are seeing is needs to be imported. So are there manufacturers in India when it comes to battery technology?
There are a few prototype makers, not in the real production or production stage yet. So there are people making batteries, but at a very still testing level, I would say. So if I may say, 99% of cells, battery means it's little misnomer. In case this is a cell,
so we don't call it a battery. I mean, just for the sake of clarity.
Okay.
So the cells are 99% of cells used in India are imported, at least for the EV and all that. We have cell lead acid batteries and other that is available, but for EV, 99% of cells are imported. We don't make, but there are the plethora of plants which are there for cell makers.
Lot of research and development is happening on raw materials, how they can use. But I think it needs to mature up.
Another three to 4 years it will take. We are working with a lot of guys, and soon India will become a big battery cell hub.
Okay, so I also know that you have a lot of technical centers where you help people to understand about this technology.
Right.
So, are these technologies which are developed in India or in Germany, just to understand?
The technologies are developed by Carl Zeiss because we are a global company. So, the root of EV is more or less in the east, that is in China and Shanghai. So, China is the center point when you talk about electric vehicle because they have started this topic about 10 to 12 years before. So, we have a competence center in China, Korea, followed by Hoboken. Of course, our headquarters is also fully involved in key technologies of X-ray. And there are some technologies which come up from the USA. So it's kind of omnipresent and a lot of researchers are involved. So you'll be amazed to know what kind of, we don't have people only who sell. We have a lot of PhDs. We have a lot of scientists sitting who write a lot of papers on these topics. So when people come to us, my interest and what I want to share is come to us with your problems because there's a nascent industry. You are learning. I mean, the manufacturer is learning. We are also learning. But we have a lot of experience and a lot of people sitting with us who can help, give you the right solutions, give you the right, nudging or, the kind of direction. We can support you in taking the data out of what you make and go in the right path quickly to your destination.
Oh,
that's what we do.
Yeah, that's what I think you told us in the beginning because East progressed a lot, and why not learn from the people who did the errors?
Correct. We work closely with Carl Zeiss Shanghai.
Okay.
Also on these topics.
What about the motor technology? I think motors were already there in India, but I think this is a different technology. There are
today you need a very high efficient motor when you talk about EVs because motor consumes most of the power, almost all the power. So you need a highly efficient, highly safe motor. So that's where the motor technology has also changed, and you have what you see there in a hairpin. So the basic technology looks similar, but there are a lot of facets of it which are being modified to suit the e-vehicle, so that you don't have a motor independently working somewhere can have any kind of cooling, but in an EV, the motor is sitting under you. So I think things are different when you are very close to a human. When you make something which is close to a human, even like a mobile phone cell, it has to be ultra safe. So
yeah, safety. We are going to talk about that. We need to extend our. So I will not go. I will come back to you again, and I will talk about this EV safety, which is a very
you need not miss out is the battery pack.
Okay.
The battery tray. So the battery tray is actually a very, very key component in the EV vehicle. It is not. I mean, it looks like a simple sheet metal welding, but it's not so. There are a lot of safety elements. What is involved? So there involves a lot of structural components which are to be measured, even using X-rays. So we have solutions around battery tray.
This is excellent because sometimes people are also very much worried that when the IC engines are going to go, a lot of people are going to lose their jobs or they need to change their business. But I'm seeing there are a lot of activities. See, electric vehicle itself needs to mature up in India, but we are having one company who are expert in India who can help. There are a lot of new players here. There are lots of startups there. There are lots of enthusiastic people there. I know people in IIT Guwahati, Dr. Praveen, as well as I have Dr. Kannan from IIT Madras. Right. They're all doing great job, and I think if everyone can come together and work, industry, academy, a lot of solutions can be given to the EV sector.
Definitely, Hari.
All the very best for it.
Sure. Thank you very much for covering.
You are having a wonderful. Sure. See, I know that you not only handle the EV,
you
are very passionate about it, but you also handle the entire IQS.
Thank you.
Absolutely wonderful show. Great solutions.
Thank you very much for covering it and doing a professional job. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you very much.
So, what better person, obviously one of the best, but a person who's handling the sales of all these products. So, when we go to the customer end and, we talk to the customer to provide the solutions that we want to provide, the front end person who leads the conversation, he has to portray that the solution that we provide are kind of a blue line solution, as ZEISS call it. So, I would like you to have a conversation with Mr. Hemant Kumar, head of sales. Very jolly and interesting guy. We can have a conversation.
Hi.
So if you can tell us, what blue line solution guys and how one solution helps the customer.
Yeah. Blue Line Solution, basically, we have created this concept to the industry, basically to prove a point that we are not just machine, we are not selling just a machine, we are trying to sell a solution. So you start with, for example, in the same battery segment which you are talking about, we start from the raw material until the finished product. So that's where we are good at, and we would like to connect all our machines based on this blue line, and we try to connect from nano to micro level. So that's where we are experts, and of course we have our business head Manoj, who takes us through this technology. And for us as sales, it is easy for us to replicate this technology to our customers, and in a sense, it becomes easy for us to connect with customers and then sell our solutions to our customers. That's all.
You'll be a very happy person today looking at the crowd today.
Of course, yes. Compared to yesterday, I think today it's quite a good crowd, and I believe we expect more customers. Maybe tomorrow and day after will be more busy day than today, I guess. So,
Thank you very much.
We call to the live audience, maybe have a call to action. Maybe come and call.
of course, now we are back in IMTEX after 2.5 years. We are eagerly waiting for you at the show, and we have all the latest technology in place for you, and the experts are also waiting for you. So we would like to invite you to the show, and please do visit us and experience the latest technology what we have. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Right.
We got a great day today, and I wish you all the very best in the future.
Before you go, let's have one last call.
Yeah, please.
I would like you to meet the divisional head of our IQS and maybe introduce you to our live audience.
Okay.
So, if we have Mr. Avin Padmaprabha.
Hello.
You would like to share your thoughts about IMTEX 2020 that is happening.
Oh, okay. Thanks, God. Well, it's been a very interesting, I would say, 1.5 days at IMTEX. Again, meeting face to face all our customers has been an experience what we really wanted to have. So this has provided an excellent platform for us to meet our customers, sit with them, understand. So it's been fantastic. It's going really good for us last 1.5 days, and I'm sure more to come. This is just the beginning. It's warming up. So I'm sure in the next 3.5, 4 days, I think we will have much more interactions with our customers.
And it was a wonderful show. You had these launches yesterday,
Yes.
and the kind of wide range of products you are showcasing, I'm sure that visitors are going to get a lot benefited.
Yeah, that was the idea. Unfortunately, we have been known as just a CMM company, a coordinate measuring machine company, but we are beyond CMM. So we have a lot of solutions, what has been displayed here. And these solutions, again, people think that we only provide solutions to the automotive industry. No, we are moving away from automotive industry. So to all our customers who are from aerospace, additive manufacturing, electric vehicles, electronics, telecommunication, wind, bearings, plastics. Okay, the list goes on. So we have solutions for all these industries. That's the message we want to give.
And it is very nicely given here. And the size stall is it reflects.
Absolutely. The brand size, the brand size is not new to the Indian market. We've been here for the last 20 plus years. But as I said, what we want to position ourselves as, we are a complete quality solutions provider. We want to position ourselves as solution provider rather than being seen as selling a one-off machine. Yes.
Thank you very much.
So much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this.
Thanks for the time, and I wish you all the very best. Thanks for being in the show. So, friends, I think you had a very good view of ZEISS 360. We have got all the live, explained,
Right,
all the
right,
products explained
right.
by the experts of ZEISS.
Right.
Thank you very much for
Thank you so much for this.
watching, and thank you, Rohan, and wish you all the best. Next 4.5 days are there for you.
Yeah, I
All
know.
the very best.
Lot of legwork.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.